Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can update your personal information on the Lidl Plus app. So if you wish to update your personal information on the Lidl Plus app, you'll have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to go ahead and log into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. And after that, you have to go ahead and navigate to the main menu icon. It's usually located by 3 lines, or just tap the more button located right at the bottom. And when you're done with that procedure, then it's going to take you to the more page where you have to go ahead and select the profile or the account. And when you select that in the profile or the account section, you should be able to see an option to update your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and the address itself. After making necessary changes, ensure you've saved or updated your information by tapping the save or update button. And then if you wish to go ahead and change your current location or maybe your main store, then you could go ahead and tap on the main store right on top, and then from here you could go ahead and arrange the location on the map and likewise toggle the button, and you've also changed your main store along with your personal information. So that's how you can change or update your personal information on the Lidl Plus app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.